pati t-shirt nila kay ko 5XL nga basit kinyana. It difference the size of the Philippines Uber. It difference the size in the Philippines and US size. Right, loves? So I use it his t-shirt. So we're going to Pennsylvania from Ohio, Kinayo. We're going to attend the 30th, what is that? 30-year school reunion. High school reunion, right, loves? Okay. You know, remember my jacket that I'm always wearing every time I'm singing? That's the place that we're going. And then we're trying to see what's the difference of the reunion here in US and in the Philippines. Here in US, we don't bring anything, food, nothing, just ourselves, and they just talk, and if there's a food there, they are just volunteer only.
That's what I was told, yes.
Yeah. Let us see, Pennsylvania, and my husband get frustrated about the time because we're almost there, but I told to him, let's go to the house first, the house of here in Pennsylvania, and he said he don't want to being late, and I told to him, what's for that you have a wife Filipino time. We use that. And then he said, tough shit. You're gonna be on time, he said. I am Filipino time. I'm bring the Filipino time here.
You're gonna bring your American down now. You're American. Let's go.
Kita mo natin palokak na eh. Palokak.
4-2? Yep, this is it.
Is it? Welcome to the Goodwins. Oh, it looks like we've been here before.
No, baby.
Here we go. We arrived.
We don't tie nothing. Guess it ain't gonna happen. It's easy. Easy peasy. Smart with me, motherfucker. They're not doing great. You're listening to me. This is where you run.
Nagsubliak ito'y lugan ta. Mabay na kag video. Diyan dani. Amo mo iti nagbayat di itong tungan da. Madida ka na mag-iinam mo. Anta nagdakil, nagbaliwan itsura da. 30 years ba naman. Tapos nga, dapat iti-name tag da. Mayat sa dito eh. Ay, lag tong da. Kita nyo ah.
Where at?
I don't know his last name. I don't think his last name. I only have to live up on the hill.
Where's the deer?
The deer's coming.
Here, deer.
Maybe like this.
Yeah. This one or one like this one? No,
We need to do this one.
Pet. Her name is Daisy? Huh? Oh, wow, it's beautiful.
There's also Pepsi and Mountain Dew.
Okay.
Okay? All right.
That's it. my father just passed away last year. And, he ended up, we ended up putting him in assisted living.
Facebook ka.
Step.
Basta ito lang, tuting tong lang.
Like, honestly, I remember him being super short.
No, I might have got a little bit taller. I don't think so. I just asked all the time.
Ato yan na nakailasin kinilangay ko tayo di nagbabasa nga kaya ay glasses na. So, nagtakada. Si kata. Una na. Ay ko. Tapos pagtutong-tong lang. Nag-i-RG album. Pagkaakan na din i-picture da ide. Picture. Kita na din i-picture. Katawan da. It's already 9 o'clock. They still, Marites over there. Tong, pakitong, ditong makatuturo ka ko. Norte ka rao, kita ng kanta di tao. Diba? Nagsisweet din eh. Nagbabagal na kaya bahay. Nagsisweet din.
You leave it too.
Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. Dato'y the Eskwelahan, the idi high school, the high school in elementary loves, right? Alright, the school, the West Green.